Yes, correct. Check the airfield. Airspeed is 80. It's very important. Right now, not 80, 75, but it's better for you. Okay. When you want to turn a little bit nose down, a little bit, turn now. And you can maintain the airspeed. Okay. Try to turn direct to the runway, okay? To the right a little bit. Yeah. More or less. Okay. Again. This one. Two. Yeah. And nose down. During the open the flaps, nose down. Yes. Perfect. Right. Electric pumps. And try to land. Don't touch it.
Okay. Guys, watch out.
Dangerous.
And hold the speed, please. It's very good. It's very good. No. It's very good because the flaps is on. Like in simulator.
Yes, the
Okay.
same thing.
Nose down a little bit, please. Nose down. Don't worry. I'm here.
Okay.
I can touch anytime if you are wrong. Okay, throttle back totally, and hold it, and a little bit more. It's perfect!
Again?
If you want.
Yes.